Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Kawasaki Concours 1000. This is Kawasaki's signature sport touring bike. 4-cylinder inline, liquid-cooled, 1000 cc's. Power plant that's been shared with the Ninja 1000. And this one has a beautiful upright seating position, nice high handlebars, locking storage compartments. This is a shaft drive motorcycle, so no chain to mess with. And this bike only has 20,894 miles. Beautiful blue metallic in color. Only $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Come by, check it out. We have financing available, extended service contracts. Getting a little sun glare, my apologies. Real nice clean bike, clean windscreen, great condition. 06 Concours 1000, just $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.